Hey guys, it's Selise, and today I'm gonna actually do a tutorial and show you how I get some glossy topaz eyelids. I know my hair looks crazy, okay? Don't worry. Don't worry. It's gonna be, just don't worry, okay? Alright. Let's go. Yes, a very up close and personal. Today we're gonna use the Take Me Back to Brazil palette and the Aurora Lids palette. I think I used these same palettes in my last video, but oh well. If I sound stuffy, I am, because yeah, sinuses, allergies. You already know the dealio. Pack the concealer on. Blend that out. First color I'm gonna take is this orange. Pack that in the crease. I feel like this is not as bright as I want it to be, probably because my concealer isn't that bright and I didn't pack it down as soon as I put it on. But whatever, we're gonna go with it. Yeah, I'm just gonna blend this out in circular motions. Take this yellow and this yellow and put them both on my lid. Okay, and now I'm just gonna go back in with that first color and blend it all together. Hopefully it doesn't come off. I'm trying to figure out if I want to add the gloss now on my lids, or do I want to just wait until I finish my face and do it.
A few moments later.
I'm probably gonna do it afterwards because I don't know how it's gonna react to my already oily creased eyelids. So I'll come back when I'm done with the rest of my face so we can finish the tutorial. Ooh, my lips look crusty. Probably because they got foundation on. I guess that's better. I need to put some chapstick on. Ooh, my camera. I've been trying to sit up here trying to focus for like a good 5 seconds. Now it's time to add the gloss on the lid. I'm just gonna take this a.k.a. makeup lip gel with vitamin E and hope that this doesn't go very wrong. I don't know if I want to put this color eyeliner like on my bottom lid, or if I should just do this. I'll probably just do this because it's already gonna be glossy and there's no reason for me to put I can't I'm gonna have to do this off camera because I need both of my hands to do this, so just hold on a second. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm just gonna put some of this gloss. I keep looking over here because the screen is over here, and sorry. And I'm gonna take this little brush, and put it on here. There's one. I don't know, should I do the bottom too? Wow, I just look like I got baby oil on my eyeballs. This looks so weird. Whoever thought I'd be sitting here putting lip gloss on my eyes. Bro, I should have put my eyelashes on first. I'm gonna try to put on my lashes now. I think I just F'd this up. I should have waited. I'm debating on not even putting on lashes because of this. I just know it's not gonna stick. It's not even on all the way. Okay, just stay on for the video. Let me do my lips and do my hair. Hopefully my eyelashes don't fall off, and I'll be back.
6.5 hours later.
Wow, I look like a whole different person. Oh, my eyes burning. Oh gosh. Okay, I used the same gloss on my lips as I did my eyelids, and just put some clips in my hair and brushed it out. So yeah, this is the finished look. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, actual real tutorial. Yeah, this is the end of the video, so yeah. Oh, I forgot to put my freaking new intro song at the beginning of the video, so let's roll that now.
Subscribe to Selise. No, she got that cheek. Subscribe to Selise. You know you wanna see. Selise, Selise. You know you wanna see. Hey!
Alright, bye guys. Hope to see you guys in my next video, and yeah.